Okay, so while going to Kamakya, we met one Gadiwala who gave us some hints about what happened here. Actually, the walls are completely like they have written no cab, no cab. So, cab is a citizen amendment bill which was passed by the central government, and Assam was the first state to oppose it, and this no cab protest was started from Guwahati. They have broken the railings. There are written writings on the walls opposing. Hey guys, I'm going to Guwahati, and I just got the news that the situation there is not suitable for travelers because they have cancelled the internet connection, and there is a serious protest going on. Due to that, government has applied a curfew on this. So I'm literally clueless what to do. Shit. We have a train at 12:15, I guess. It's Northeast Express. Guys, moving towards Guwahati, and our train has unexpectedly stopped on. This is the 56th stop, I guess. If I start to count from Siliguri, this might be the 50th stop. The train is continuously stopping, and it is already 5 to 6 hour delay, and I don't know what to do. So let's see what to do. Hey guys, we are at the Kamakya Junction railway station in Assam, and the train is 5 hours delayed. That's why we reached here at 9:30. It's 9:38 now. Lucky for us, the waiting room was just outside the bogie, and we just got in. So there is no internet access, and there is a curfew which was applied after 9 p.m. and it will open at 7 a.m. tomorrow. So there is no taxi, there is no way we get into our room which we booked here in Guwahati, which is 7 kilometers away. So we are stuck here in the waiting room, and actually the waiting room is very clean. There is no one, it's clean, the toilet is clean, everything is clean. So no problem, we have to get there. Yeah, tomorrow we'll move to Shillong, I guess. Don't know, we'll go to Kamakya temple obviously, then we'll move to Shillong. हाँ
अभी तो बंदी का टाइम चल रहा है ना।
हाँ
आपको गाड़ी मिल भी सकता है, नहीं तो आप ये सब भी उठता है, सब में भी उठ जाइएगा।
हाँ हाँ मंदिर तो बंद नहीं है ना?
मंदिर तो नहीं है,
अच्छा
मतलब बस ऐसे बंद रहता है।
अच्छा
सामने कैब का वो चल रहा है ना।
हाँ हाँ भैया अभी गाड़ी मतलब बाइक जो है वो भाड़े पे मिलेगी?
बाइक
बाइक हाँ।
आपको मालूम नहीं है बाइक का भाड़ा क्या कटा मिल सकता है।
अच्छा। हाँ हाँ।
आपको पार्किंग लग जाता है।
क्या?
आपको पार्किंग लग जाता है।
हाँ 9 बजे से ना। भैया ये सब शुरू कैसे हुआ था?
शुरू आपका बिल पास हो गया था ना।
हाँ मतलब यही से शुरू हुआ था क्या? मतलब वो प्रोटेस्ट सब?
सब आपका गुवाहाटी है
हाँ
उधर से लेकर पूरा आसाम का जितना स्टार्ट है
हाँ।
रेलिंग वेलिंग सब तोड़ दिया था।
बिल्डिंग सब?
ये रेलिंग सब
रेलिंग अच्छा। कितने दिन तक था?
अभी तक तो चल ही रहा है।
अभी भी चल ही रहा है?
हाँ
मतलब रात को यहाँ पे होता है मारपीट? हो दिया। ये गेट है भैया? हाँ हाँ। Yes, you are right. I am at the railway station without any option, yeah, because there is a high number of curfew running on streets. We can't go, and the taxi charges thrice the amount. To go to 10 kilometers, they asked us 900 rupees. That's how it goes. And the taxi walas will go rich and we'll get yeah. So we decided to stay at the railway station, Guwahati Railway Station, and our train is at 11:30 p.m. Yeah, in the midnight. So get it, guys. Actually, you can see policemen patrolling in the streets. We can't go out. Even in railway station, there is high patrol of police officers, and on the streets too. I guess I did a biggest mistake entering Northeast. So I was trying. I asked them whether the tickets are available. They said yeah. So tonight I'm going to Guwahati and I'm the Bhimapura, and then I'll get back to Guwahati. Then from there I'll get back to Agartala if possible. Yeah, that's how it works. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. From past 12 to 13 hours, we are sitting in this railway station doing nothing just because there is a possibility of protest in this town, and the police are present in every corner trying to protect each and every civilian who are not free to roam. We went to Kamakya temple and we found a police officer or a military officer on a distance of 1 meter. They won't allow you to carry a camera phone with your video on. They won't allow to shoot. They won't allow nothing. We are stuck in Guwahati for like 12 hours. We would have gone to Shillong, but due to curfew, there is no vehicle. And those vehicles which are present, they demand you for 3,000, 4,000 shared to go to Shillong. It actually costs you nearly 200 to 400. That's how situation worse it is, guys. We are sleeping in the railway station. We are not even allowed to go inside a waiting room because it's only allowed up to 3 hours and our train is at 11:30 p.m. The train is at 11:30 p.m. and it's 7 p.m. So we are stuck. Anyways, hoping for the best. We are escaping to Dimapur now. It's like we didn't do any crime, but we are escaping from this jail and we are going to Dimapur now. This is a prison, guys. I guess coming to Guwahati in this situation was the worst thing I could do. I'm an idiot. Bye. I'm getting fuel. Okay, so yeah, actually it's 13 to 14 degree and we are sleeping outside. So obviously we should get fever. From 3 to 4 hours we are sleeping like this, and from 12 p.m. till 3 no, 2 2:30 we were just sitting here because nowhere else to go. All the museums were shut down and rooms actually they overpriced, and there is no internet, so you can't even book Oyo or any other hotels. So this is an virtual prison where there is no internet. It's not that we are depending on internet, but when you're traveling, when you have to get rooms, online is the best way you can find without any scams. So we lost that option. We tried to save money and we are here. This fever will go when we take tablets, but yeah, so I'm getting personal now. Okay, so the prison, I mean the fight got worse when they started damaging public property. That's when the government sent police officers to fight against the protesters, and they have applied curfew. Actually, it was decided that the curfew would be for 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. But it looks like no one is allowed to go out even after 7 a.m. because there is no cab, no taxi drivers, nothing. We just found some state transport and electric gadi wala. But some state transport doesn't go everywhere. It just goes to Kamakya temple and get back to Kamakya junction or Guwahati railway station. Then that's it. So we are stuck, and obviously we can't check where we can go because there is no internet. Even the rail wire is here above me. It's not working. The best situation in Guwahati is. I should have listened to my cousin. I shouldn't have to Guwahati, man. Hey guys, it's 10 degrees Celsius and I'm doing no sweater challenge.
Hey, this is VSBhat. If you like our travel videos, please click subscribe and join us as we have planned to visit many more places around India and around the world too. Thank you.